Right, I'm holding the camera. We're sat in the loaner Tesla Model 3. We've had the call and the app notification from Tesla Leeds to tell us that our car is ready. The paint is all finished, and they tell me that the noise issues have all been fixed. So we have a 65-mile trip to Leeds. So we are cautiously optimistic that indeed everything has been fixed. We're about to set off now. Time will tell. Oh, bugger. We don't have enough mileage. We don't have enough range to get there. Okay, I didn't realise that, but Seth just told me. Oh, what we're going to do. You see, this was unexpected. We didn't expect to be picking up the car today. Right, we best go find ourselves a rapid charger. Right, let's plug it into this InstaVault. You're probably asking, why did you not charge the car at home on your 5.5 pence per kilowatt rate? Well, the answer is that we didn't know we was coming today. This is a big surprise. It's Friday. Usually I would be working and should be working, but because I can pick up the car today whilst there are technicians at Tesla, rather than tomorrow when it would just be sales staff, today makes it's the ideal time to go and pick it up. So like I say, we don't have enough mileage to get there. I'm hoping, even though that the battery is cold, that we'll take a full rapid charge on this InstaVault rapid charger, and we'll find out now if that's going to work or not. Excellent, getting a full charge, that's good. So it looks like we're pulling a good rate on the charge. I think it said 43 kilowatts, the car is showing 37, and I believe that is because the car is using some of the energy to actually heat the battery up to enable a faster rapid charging rate. But nevertheless, so we don't need, let's have a look, can I move this slider on the screen? Set limit, there we go. So really we only need, I would guess, so we're looking at 35 minutes. Even then, that's going to be so we're putting in 152 miles per hour. We're only going to need another 30 miles on top of that, really. So what do you think, Seth? How long is that going to take us?
Okay.
Do the maths. Right, I would say about 15 minutes, because if you're looking at 150 miles an hour, half that 75, half that, what's half of 75? I don't know either. 37 and a half, is it? So 37 plus that, we should be there or thereabouts. So 15 minutes is my guess. Who said you're missing schooling? You're doing your maths. Right, so here we are at Tesla Leeds. They tell us it's all done. The paintwork on the bonnet looks pretty good. It's just a question now of drive in and see whether we think this noise has improved. If it matches, if the car has no more noise, or it's no noisier than the lone vehicle that we have across there, then I will be most delighted, but time will tell. Right, so we've just arrived home. I'm delighted. The sound issues have been resolved to my satisfaction. This car is exactly the same as the lone vehicle in that there is no road noise coming in as there was before. Previously it sounded like the door had been left open or the window slightly ajar, but no, this is totally fixed. Very happy with it, and also with the paintwork as well. The paint at first glance looks like it's been fixed to a decent standard. We've seen some nightmare paint jobs on the Tesla forums across on Facebook, but no, I'm happy with this. So fingers crossed, in a couple of months or 3 months, as and when we escape the prison of lockdown, we can get back out, start making some videos the way we wanted to do, and have some real adventures in the Tesla Model 3. So if you was following the story, seeing whether we was going to get it fixed, I was a little bit skeptical, being honest, but we are there now. They have fixed it to a proper standard. Sure enough, when I read the emails from Tesla, it said that they replaced the door seals, which they had done previously, and they said they'd adjusted the glass again. They had done that previously. So I was somewhat skeptical whether this time around it would have been fixed, but it has been fixed. Very happy, and now we look forward to future adventures. So if you'd like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Just for your information, we got about 3.7 miles per kilowatt on the way back on the motorway, which is pretty good going considering we've got the heating on and the heated seats and so on. So yeah, I hope in the future that we'll be able to do long journeys in the warmer months and get maybe 4.5 miles per kilowatt, which we'll be very happy with. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon. Bye for now.